Hey everyone, if Penpot is not opening, stuck on a loading screen, or refusing to launch, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to get Penpot working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Penpot relies on an active connection, so network problems can prevent it from opening. Next, refresh the page or restart the application. Yeah, temporary glitches can sometimes stop Penpot from loading properly. If you're using Penpot in a browser, clearing cache and cookies can help. Corrupted data may prevent the platform from opening correctly. Some extensions, especially ad blockers and privacy tools, can interfere with Penpot. So temporarily disable them and test again. If Penpot still won't open, try another browser. Browser compatibility issues can sometimes be the cause. If you're using a VPN or proxy service, disable it temporarily. Yeah, some network routes can interrupt access to Penpot. Make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can create loading and compatibility problems. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. So if Penpot servers are experiencing problems, you may simply need to wait for the service to recover. Another simple fix is restarting your computer or phone. This clears temporary system issues that may be affecting Penpot. If nothing works, contact Penpot support for further assistance. They can help identify account or server-related issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Penpot not opening and get you back to designing again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.